Let me now pictorially explain to you the price behavior of a bond. And what is the price behavior of a bond? If you see it on the screen, on the vertical axis, what has been given to you is price of the bond. On the horizontal axis is given to you years to maturity. And what is also given to you is the market interest rates. And it is also given to you the bond rate is 10%. The bond rate is 10%. That means the coupon on the bond is 10%. That means on this bond you will get an interest at the rate of 10%. Now what will happen if the market rate is 8%? समझ के लीजिए, बहुत सिंपल सी बात है. इस बॉन्ड पर आपको मिल रहा है 10% का इंटरेस्ट. आज की तारीख में मार्केट में जो इंटरेस्ट है वो है 8%. तो आपके इस बॉन्ड की वैल्यू ज़्यादा होगी कि कम होगी? आंसर ये है कि आपके इस बॉन्ड की वैल्यू ज़्यादा होगी. सो दिस बॉन्ड इज गोइंग टू बी अ प्रीमियम बॉन्ड. It is going to be a premium bond. If on this bond you are getting a rate of 10%, and if the market rates are 12%, what is going to happen? This bond of yours, this bond is going to be a discount bond. It will trade at a discount. Lower side. Why lower side? Because मार्केट में 12% मिल रहा है और आपको तो 10% ही मिल रहा है. तो इसका मतलब आपकी जो एसेट्स की वैल्यू कम हो गई. So this is to let you know as to how there is a linkage. Please pay attention. How there is a linkage between the interest rate in the market and the price of the bond. So please pay attention. If the coupon rate is more than the market rate, the bond will trade at a premium. If the coupon rate is lower than the market rate, then the bond will trade at a discount. As you can see here, it is trading at a discount. So this is, friends, is the price behavior of a bond that you must remember. Now let's come to the yield to maturity. You know what is YTM, all of you?
IRR.
Yeah, IRR. Okay, very good.
Equal to IRR.
Equal to IRR. So what is YTM? Ankur?
सर मैच्योरिटी तक जो भी मुझे इंटरेस्ट या कैपिटल गेन जो मिलता है उसका मतलब what is the exactly the rate of interest which I have earned.
Okay, good. So you know what is YTM? YTM is the rate at which, if the future cash flows on the security are discounted, then the present value of the future cash flows will be equal to the current price of the security. I'll repeat it once again. What is YTM? Is yield to maturity. And what is yield to maturity? ये एक रेट है. ये कौन सा रेट है? ये वो रेट है जिससे अगर आपने फ्यूचर कैश फ्लोज को, जो सिक्योरिटीज़ के उससे जो फ्यूचर कैश फ्लोज है, और सिक्योरिटीज़ के फ्यूचर कैश फ्लोज क्या है? इंटरेस्ट एंड द रिडम्पशन ऑफ द प्रिंसिपल. सो अगर आपने फ्यूचर कैश फ्लोज को डिस्काउंट किया with the YTM, NPV of this security will become 0. अब ये अगर आपको याद होगा तो हमने डिस्कस किया था in case of a project. So in case of a project, what happens? In case of a project, you have something called as IRR. And what is IRR? IRR is a rate at which, when you discount the future cash flows, NPV becomes a 0. And that is what is your YTM. तो इसका मतलब क्या हुआ? इसका मतलब ये हुआ कि YTM is same like IRR. IRR is in case of capex and YTM is in case of securities. That is the only difference between the YTM and IRR. We will understand it with more with the example, but that is what you should remember for the time being. क्या याद रखना है आपको? आपको याद रखना है YTM is same as IRR. YTM is same as IRR. IRR is for a capex project. YTM is for a securities product. And that is the difference. Otherwise, everything else is same. IRR, if you discount the cash flows with IRR, NPV of that project will come 0. And likewise, in case of security, if you discount the cash flows of the security with the YTM, NPV will become 0. That means present value of all the cash flows will be same as the current market price, and that is your YTM. Is YTM same like IRR? And the answer is, everybody, the answer is
yes.
What is the utility of YTM? YTM की utility क्या है? IRR की क्या utility है? अंकुर?
IRR, to know at what rate of interest is the project will be at par.
Absolutely.
If the rate is less than IRR, then we should not accept the project.
Exactly. तो वो जो utility IRR की project में है, YTM has got the same utility in case of securities, in case of bonds. So क्या मतलब है? इसका मतलब ये है कि अगर एक बॉन्ड की जो रिटर्न है इट इज़ लेस देन दी YTM, लेस देन दी कंपनीज YTM रेफरेंस रेट, तो क्या होगा? आप उसको सिक्योरिटी को परचेज नहीं करेंगे, राइट? सो सेम इज द यूटिलिटी एज इन केस ऑफ IRR. हाउ टू फाइंड YTM ऑफ अ सिक्योरिटी हम लोग साथ में करेंगे इसको, विल डू इट टुगेदर. एंड व्हाट इज द रिलेशनशिप बिटवीन YTM, कूपन एंड वैल्यू, ये भी हम चेक करेंगे साथ में, और ये भी हम चेक करेंगे साथ में. सो दिस इज व्हाट वी विल डू इट टुगेदर. सो लेट अस फाइंड आउट व्हाट इज YTM. YTM is the yield investor gets by holding the bond till maturity. So this is like IRR. If investor sells the bond before maturity, he realizes a different yield depending on the exit price that affect the capital gains. YTM reflects the yield that the investor would earn if he holds the bond till maturity. So I think I have discussed this already with you, so I'm going to skip this part and straight away come to the example how to find the YTM. So अब देखो, अगर आपको YTM फाइंड आउट करना है तो दिस इज द फॉर्मूला, दिस इज द फॉर्मूला फॉर कैलकुलेटिंग द YTM. नाउ ये फॉर्मूला में आपको क्या करना पड़ेगा? ये फॉर्मूला को आपको अगर मैनुअली सॉल्व करने जाएंगे, it might take you 2 days, 3 days, 4 days. God only knows how much time will it take, because you will have to do a lot of iterations. Instead of that, what you can do, you can just calculate the IRR and you will get your YTM. So अब ये केस में YTM कितना आता है? इस केस में YTM आता है 13.44%. Now let us solve this case. Let us solve this case using the Excel sheet. So अभी हमारा क्या है? हमारा कैलकुलेट YTM ऑफ अ बॉन्ड, फेस वैल्यू उसका 100 है और करंटली इट इज सेलिंग एट 95, 12% उसका कैश फ्लो है, इंटरेस्ट है ना। तो अभी हम इसको लेट अस ट्राई टू कैलकुलेट इट। So what I'm going to do is go to another file, and this file is same as your file Excel sheet that I have shared with you. I will use the same Excel sheet. I hope I'm able to open it here. It doesn't seem to be here, so maybe I will need to open it.